I'm the trader here, and this is the exact three-step process I use to get into this trade. If you understand this process, you know exactly what you're looking for in the charts and you won't overtrade anymore. Let's get into the trade breakdown. See you there. My name is Alice, and I'm a fund manager at Am the Trader Capital, where we help traders and investors grow and scale their investments by building them a proprietary system of money, risk management, and trading edge that we've used to grow our fund from 0 to 100K. We're currently on a mission to impact 1 million people through trading by 2030. Help us get there. So many people lose confidence in trading and in life because they simply don't have a plan. There's no process they're following, there's no procedures and protocols that they're abiding by. They literally are just winging it, and they wonder why they can't get consistent. They wonder why there's ups and downs in the equity curves. They literally can't figure it out. The uncertainty of not knowing exactly what you're doing, how you're doing it, why and when you're doing it in the market will cause you to fail in trading. Confidence and certainty are key if you want to be successful in trading, and it's your responsibility as the trader, as the analyst, as the fund manager. It's your responsibility to attain that confidence, not only in your model, but also in your processes. So what I want to do right now real quickly is I want to share with you the process that we teach all our analysts at Am the Trader Capital, and then we'll see that process live in action in the trade breakdown. This is the three-step trading process. Step 1, condition. This is where we determine our bias. Before we even think about entering a trade, we need to know the market program. Are we in a buy program or sell program? This is where the market shows its hand. Then we have step 2, stage. This is what sets up your trade and what does your trade look like. There are two types of trades: retracement setups and continuation setup. Then we have step 3, execution. This is how you're going to enter, manage, and close the trade. At Am the Trader Capital, we have 4 entry criteria before executing. We're not guessing, we're executing a plan. Let's get into the trade breakdown. Hold on. At one point, they're one of the wealthiest families in America. We're taking open range sell side here. Our session program has been confirmed as a sell program. All right, we have step 1. We have step 1. Now we advance on to step 2. To go for me to be interested in a continuation sell based on previous daily's low. Okay, based on us coming and into an inefficiency above it and then causing the market structure shift back below that external liquidity. Targeting Asia low. Oh, my negative 1 is right a little bit right after Asia sell side. But supporting time frame would have got us in earlier here and heading to final terminus, which will be our entry on the 1 minute. So that's how I can start incorporating the supporting time frame now into my trading. Okay, it's not just on the chart to be on chart. I need to put it to work. Oh, let's get, there you go. Confirmed. We're tagged in there, negative 2 on the supporting time frame set up there. Let's get our limits. Let me delete this. We're looking at 902.75. Rough. 902.75 right there. 1050 macro. This is what. Okay, so some wait, market structure shift down here. We got taken out there. All right, losses are the only things promised to us. Oh, let's see the outcome of that trade first. 223. Cool, cool, cool. Nothing yet though. Oh my goodness. Nothing yet though, nothing yet. First loss of the week. Love it. Time, price, taking buy side above it, market structure shift back below. We're getting back in there. Right there, thank you. To right here. What just happened? Oh, nice. 96875. Yeah, we'll stop at 96. No, I top at 16725. Let me get that. 725. Right there. Supporting time frame. Early entry down here. Taking buy side. Market structure shift back below. External liquidity there. Macro. Time and then price, right? Time and then price. What is happening around that price? We come back up into an inefficiency, drop back below it. We come back up, we take structure above it, we drop market structure shift back below it. Okay, this is confirming a continuation setup for me. Okay. Know your gross income, all right? Know how much gets taken out for taxes for the month. Know your expenses for that month, okay? That will give you your net income, right? And what do we want to do with that net income? First, we want to invest in ourselves, okay? Get the education, the skill set, all right, that we need to increase our income, right? And then into our business, and then into income producing assets such as real estate and limited partnerships. Those are the only two that I firmly believe in, okay, for passive income. There are others, all right, but those two are the only ones that I firmly believe in. Well, that I firmly believe in, that I would be using on my wealth journey, okay? Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Patience. Just patiently wait. Let it do its thing. Let's see. I'll be watching to see what else this trade offers us going into lunch session. Okay, but for us here, okay, calling some drawdown back on the day. We were down 223. All right, now we're down 68. Quick math. What's that? See, this is the math I said I'm no good at. 223 minus 68. 155 on that. Humble beginnings. Humble beginnings. All right, we'll be back for PM session. All right, to see what that has in store for us. But targeting Asia session sell side. Tuesday, May 12th, PM session sell side. And then below that, we have previous week's low. Okay, so we'll see what else this trade has in store for us. But that is it from us today. I'm the Trader Capital. Let's snag this real quick. Let's wrap up. Before we wrap up, I want to leave you with this. There was a time that I would finish a trading session and still feel lost. Even on days I made money, I didn't really know why it worked. And on losing days, I had no system to fall back on. That's the difference between guessing and having a real edge. And here's the truth. Most traders only focus on entries, but consistency comes from the system behind the entry. So if you've been watching and thinking this makes sense, but I don't have the full system yet, that's exactly why I created the 10% to 1% club. That's where we go deeper into all three pillars: the full model, the risk management system, the money and mindset principles needed to join the 1% club, and the exact process to follow daily. If you're serious about becoming consistent, that is your next step. I used to think the goal was to win more trades, but the real goal is to become the type of trader who can perform no matter the outcome. Because once you have that, the results will follow. That's all for today, folks. Thank you for tuning in. I'll see you in the next AM session, kicking off at 9:15 a.m. Kickoff once again at 9:15 a.m. To be on time is to be late, okay? So make sure you show up early. As always, I'm the trader here, signing out. Good luck, good trading, happy bloody hunting. Remember, you only fail when you quit.